Hello, third and fourth grade. Okay, so this week we are going to be starting Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Some of you guys already know, but let's do like a brief tutorial. I'm using my daughter Elizabeth. There's her picture right there. She's our pretend 7th grade student. So even though this is for 7th grade, this pertains to you guys as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Gmail account. So whatever that account is. Now, some of you guys gave me your Gmail accounts. If you were unable to become part of our class using your Gmail, I also sent a code through Remind to mom and dad yesterday on Sunday so that you can know how to plug in the code that way. So Elizabeth is already a member of our class. So once you log into your Gmail, you're going to go to that grid right there, and then you're going to scroll down and find Google Classroom. Okay, now remember, this is for 7th grade, but it pertains to everybody. Okay, over here off to the left-hand side, it's going to say 3rd grade or 4th grade, whichever you are. And go ahead and click 7th grade math. There you go. So then that's going to take her to this main screen. Go ahead and put, there you go. All the postings are going to be here of what you have due, and you can also go up to classwork as well. But if, let's see, Elizabeth's going to be working on this quiz, so she's going to click on it and view assignment. Now when hers comes up, oh, where are the, okay, that's going to look different. Can you click on another assignment that you haven't done yet? Okay, so typically it's going to turn up like this. Most days you guys are going to have videos and assignments on Google Slides. So typically you guys are going to watch the video, and then you're going to go to the Google Slides to fill out the answers. So let's go ahead and do a new one, Elizabeth, just to kind of show them how they're doing it. So she's going to hit Google Slides. There's the document that she's going to type on. Now she should be able to directly type the answers, and the answers don't have to be correct. Notice when there you go. See that blue text box? That's where you're going to type. Typically I try to put question marks in the text boxes to help you, but it doesn't always let me. So then if she's going to type something, just type like hello or something like that.
Oh, hello. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to type your answer, and then when you click off of it, anywhere off of it, your answer is now going to stay there. Okay, if you can see that. Sorry about the quality of this. I'm doing this on my phone. Okay, now say she's all done. She's finished the whole assignment. So then she's going to, what are you going to do? Click out of the top?
Yes, so it is saved. I'm going to exit right here.
Okay, it automatically saves it, guys. So notice it's right here. Okay. And then view assignment. And then over here, it's going to tell you to turn in. Make sure you guys turn it in. I have some students that they do the work on the document, but then they forget to turn it in, so then I have to go searching for it. If you turn it in, then I get notification on my side that the work is done. Okay, so then go ahead and do that. And then what does it say, Elizabeth?
One attachment will be submitted for applying integers, and then you just press turn in.
Okay. And make sure it goes all the way through. There we go. And just right now, I got a message on my phone saying that somebody turned some work in, and here it says that she turned it in. Okay. If you want to go back and make changes, I think you can do unsubmit. Okay. So you shouldn't have to be hitting save along the way. If you guys are having a hard time answering your questions on the Google Slides, if you want, you can go ahead and take pictures and send it to me. It's easier for you guys to answer it on here. That way I have one platform to go to, but please make it as easy as possible for you and for your families, okay? All right, hopefully that helps. I'm still learning this too, so we're just going to be patient with one another as we do this. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.